Click 1. Activate. Click 2. Create. And click 3. Publish in whatever place you want. Simply, efficient, and amazing. Awesome, right? If you want to impress today, super content surely you'll have to display again, again, and again. Make sure you will gain. Bonjour mes amis! Do your student want customized content from the graphic perspective and you only have just an ordinary black and white document clogged of text? Well, this is not good at all. But wait a second. As always, you are at the right time in the right place. Because today here on Modern Education channel, you're gonna learn how to deliver customized content from the graphic perspective with just 3 clicks. Yeah, just 3 clicks. It is called market segmentation and involves dividing the market into smaller pieces based on common characteristics and needs of the potential customers. In this way, the company can deliver more personalized goods, services, and information that can resonate better with specific targeted group, and in this way satisfying their needs way better and thus making them happier and loyal with the company. Now, my friends, a question for you. Do you think that if working in education with a group of students would be good and healthy to apply the same marketing principle? Let me know in the comments your opinions, because from my perspective, I think definitely it's a big yes. But unfortunately, it's way more difficult for the professor to do this. And by the way, this video is not just for the professors, it's also for you, the managers. Because, for example, if you want to give your employees a Christmas card, then you will not want to give them the same card with the same looking. So also what I'm going to show you in this video is valid for you too. During my professional activity, I faced this situation for quite a lot of times. When I bring a new case study, some of the students are telling me, no, we don't want colors, pictures, icons, and these kind of things. No, we want just a simple document because otherwise it's going to disrupt us. And by contrary, some other group of students might tell me, no, we really want the colors, the pictures, the icons, because they are making the document looks better, and in this way we can learn better. So, in this situation, what a professor can do? Well, my friends, today, right now, I've got a solution for you. So please stay until the end because you're going to see very interesting things. So grab that seat of yours, make yourselves comfortable because we're starting. Officially, in Microsoft Word, as I already showed it to you in my previous videos with the moving tattoo and hidden links, you can set as a background color just one single color or a combination of 2 colors. And the same setting apply for the entire document. If I want something else, then I can't apply. But still, a promise is a promise. And when I said more uses of the shapes in the future videos, I meant it. And now, another use of the shapes just for you, so that you can use more background colors in a single Microsoft Word page. And also to apply different colors to different pages in the same document. Yes, it's possible. So come on to show you how. Alright, so we are in a Word document, I would say in an ordinary Word document, where the main subject is about the marketing mix in the retail sector. The very first step that we have to do is to insert a shape. Logically, I will insert a rectangle. For the moment, you don't have to worry about the size of the rectangle because you will want to go to the document layout and take a look at the size of the document. And this is what you have to remember. We have in this situation an A4 document with these dimensions, 827 times 1169. So 827 times 1169. So our shape format. So 1169 with 827. Okay, we have now the rectangle with the same size as our document. So you can try to position it manually, but I don't recommend these because maybe you will not succeed 100%. So that's why the best situation is to go to the align, say initially align center, and then again align, and this time align middle, and now you have covered perfectly our document. And then it is very important to go and send it behind the text perfectly. And now you can play with the background of this shape. So format shape, and then we'll have from the fill possibilities, we will take the gradient fill, and we will want to put more gradients. Here I have 4 gradients, maybe I will want 5 gradients. It depends on your taste or on how you want to configure these. So for example, I will put these, let's say this, but is going to be a lighter version, something like this. Then I'll make it easy green. Here at the bottom, this light purple, something like this. And for the middle section, let's introduce here a light yellow or a gold. Great. And for the moment, we have this beautiful mix of different stops. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different stops. Great. Now I will copy these and paste it on all the other pages, but for these I will speed up the process. Great. Now the entire document has its own shape with different gradients. So now at the print preview, you can see that all of the 6 pages of the document have the same shape. Now you can deactivate the shape in whatever page you want. For example, if I want page number 2 and page number 3 not have anything, then just click on the respective pages. Page number 2 deactivated, then go to page number 3, also click and deactivate, and then in the print preview, as you can see, second and third page don't have any shape. So practically in this way you can format the entire document as you want. You can customize each one of the pages. Now for the demo purpose, I will add more shapes to the page number 1 and more gradients, and also I will add some icons, and then we will change the names of the shapes so that you can better understand what type of configurations you have. So let's activate them back. Great, let's return to the first page, copy. For the moment it's called rectangle 1 and I want to call it config 1. Great, now I will paste it, and this time I have the old name rectangle 4, and this is going to be called config 2. Great, let's arrange it center and middle, and this time I want to change the looks. So these I want the gold, then here I want the purple, then here I want these, here a light green, and finally here a very light blue. So now it's looking something like this. Of course you can change the positions, you can switch, you can do whatever you want. You can, for example, increase the transparency, and thus the things will grammatically change, you have a lot of settings to play with. And if I will return to the selection pane, now take a look. It's config 2 and config 1, and we can establish the order we would like. If we will disable config 2, then config 1 will be in place. If we will disable also config 1, then nothing will be here. If I will activate config 2, then it's going to be here. But on both of them activated, I will see just the config 2 because config 2 is in front of config 1. If I want to change this order, then I only have to say send it to back, and now config 1 is in front. So practically only if config 1 is deactivated, then config 2 will be visible. Great. Now let's make a third copy. Okay, this time I'll call it config 3, and for the moment is going to be on top. Okay, and let's align it also. Great, let's change the format. I want here a light red. Great, then here this light gold, then here I want this light blue, a little bit lighter like this one, and finally instead of this green, let's put again this light gold. So we have something like this. For the first page, let's make the zoom a little bit smaller. Great, so this is our first page. Now from the selection pane, this is config number 3 and it's on top. If you want to be the last one, then you can send it to back, and now you have the initial. Let's deactivate all. So the config 1 is going to be on top. No matter if you're gonna activate config 2 and 3, the config 1 is going to be always on top. Only with the first 2 deactivated, the 3 will be visible. Then activate 2 is changing, activate 1 is also changing. Now I want for config number 3 to add some icons. So here we're talking about the marketing mix and the 4P of the marketing mix. So I've prepared in this way some nice icons in PowerPoint. With my 7 steps techniques, I again invite you to watch that video of mine, how you can create these beautiful icons from apparently non-fillable black and white icons. Because for example, if I'm going to insert an icon and I will say, for example, bag, then look how the initial bag is, okay, and look how is my colored bag. So watch that video and you will learn to make these beautiful icons. This is a picture, and also this one, all the others are icons. So this picture I can copy it and paste it in this space. Always make sure to send it behind the text. Perfect. And this is a very good place. Awesome. And let's put here the 4 different icons that highlight the marketing mix. So I want an icon to highlight the product, then the price, then the promotion, and then the placement. So for the product, let's say we have these shirt. Now for the price, let's select these coins. For the placement, this store, and for the promotion, this discount. Perfectly. Control C. Then let's return to the Word document. We have all of them. Great. Now let's arrange their size to fit in this space that we have here. When you are satisfied with the size, we have to make sure that they are all more or less the same size. They have their own ratio, so that's why we can't specify a common size, because that would be quite delicate to achieve. But in this way we have more or less the same size. That's perfect. Now select all of them, go to shape format, and then from the align, let's align middle. Great. And again from the align, let's distribute them horizontally. Perfect. Now we have the perfect position. Now let's select everything, the 5 stars strategy, the picture with the main shape, then with all of these small icons, and then right click and group everything. Then let's put the name here, for example config all. Great. And again right click and then send behind text. That's super perfect. And we can hide these. So when this is not activated, we see config 1. When config 1 is deactivated, we see config 2. And when this is deactivated, we see the blank page. From the graphic perspective, again, activate, activate, and activate. Also from the print preview, we can see everything is in place. That's super awesome. Now, based on the same procedure that I already showed it to you, you can create more configuration, meaning more shapes for the other pages, and you can also bring other icons. I will show you one small example again for the second page. So this is Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's make it here config 2, and this is config 1. Great. And for the config 2, let's align it center and middle. Great. Let's change also the gradients. Let's put a more visible one, but logically not that strong. A little bit lighter. Okay. Let's keep the blue. Let's eliminate the green. Let's bring closer the yellow and the purple. It's something like this. Perfect. And let's bring 2 more icons here for the second configuration. So we have the product and the price. So for the product, let's bring these, and for the price, let's bring let's bring this box for the product. We'll pack the product in this box, and for the price, let's bring these. Okay. Then we'll find for the product, let's place this box here, but with this box we realize that this is too strong, the color is too strong, so let's make it lighter. Now great. While for the price, let's put this here. Awesome. Again, select the big shape, then these 2 icons, group, and then from the selection pane, let's rename config to all. Great. Let's hide these and let's send them behind the text perfectly. Now if this is deactivated, we have this is this. If this is deactivated, we have nothing. Okay and okay. Now I will deactivate everything, and I will make the first export to highlight the situation. So if you want to export an ordinary document with no configuration, with no colors, nothing, you will have just to disable everything from each one of the pages, and that's it. It's very easy. Just click to activate the shapes from the page and then disable them. This is page 5. Great. And finally the last one. Perfectly. Now with the print preview, you see that everything is deactivated. Now file and then export, and we will publish as let's say blank from the graphic perspective, publish, and we have now our PDF, which is an ordinary document, and we can deliver this type of document for the audience that doesn't want the colored and icons and images stuff. And by contrary, then if we will return to the document and we will again activate everything. So I want this one for the 5th page, this is for the 4th page, then for the 3rd one, great. Then for the 2nd one, I will opt also for the variant with the icons, and also for the first one just with the variant with the icons. Great. So now export. This is with colors, with icons, with all, publish, and now we have our PDF with everything that we have configured. Logically, for each one of the page you can create unlimited variants, and you can combine them in whatever variant you want. So in this way you will be able to please the entire audience. So this is the original, and this is the document that is filled with these nice icons, colors, images, and so on. Now, my friends, as the conclusion, just 3 clicks and job is done, and your students will have fun. And for sure, you'll be the one that will have the bet as one, because you're able to deliver, being summer, being winter, different things like Supermaster, very easy and way faster. And this is because, my friends, you have watched my video and now you know precisely what to do. Well, my friends, really thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video is going to be very useful to you. You're gonna apply these things, and please don't forget to check out my other videos. And one more thing, please don't forget to have fun, to enjoy your activities and even your work. Thanks again so much for watching, and see you, my friends, in the next episode. A bientôt, mes amis.